Look at what we have here, folks. Another episode of Wha Chu Ridin, and this guy is back. This is the third time he's been on here, but it's very fitting. So,
I thought it was the second.
What's that?
I thought it was.
No, this is the third time. Trust me, I got
Oh,
count.
that's right. That's right.
So,
the second video was me getting up to like 40,000 miles.
well, actually, that should be 4. I think that's 4 because you had the New Hope one with all those crazy miles on it. But
I still have that bike.
yeah, well, that's a good thing. So
It now has 52,400 and.
please don't do that to this bike, okay?
I will.
All right.
I already put like 1,400.
You know what, folks? On this episode of Wha Chu Ridin, Mr. Mike, aka
AKA
Gotham.
Riding in Dirty Jersey.
Yes, he picked up. What year is this? This is the
18.
the 2018
Yeah.
ZX14. Like, I guess his cousin Zeus over there. But man, coming with the.
I haven't named her.
Oh,
I named her yet.
okay. So,
I need to go and name her something.
all right.
But right now, I can't just go and say.
Okay, hey, take your time. But I knew what his name was going to be when I got him. But he is actually sporting a dual Brox exhaust system, which is pretty cool because
Yeah.
I'm sporting the single. But I like it. It looks good. The black aesthetic or the the powder
I
coat.
very much enjoy that.
Yeah.
Thankfully, I didn't have to purchase that.
Yes. So can we get a look at the cluster, man?
Yeah.
All right. So
So,
representing Gotham. All right.
of course.
Oh, so it came with all this?
Yeah, it came with all this. I just ended up putting this perch mount, which actually goes right on top of the.
Yeah. Nice. All
Right
right.
over there. Makes things very easy.
Yeah. All right.
Turn on the bike. We'll see.
So you're not doing any colors or anything to it?
It's still too early at this point.
All right. Yeah, he's gonna watch. The next time we do a segment on this,
Yeah.
it's gonna be ridiculous. But it's sporting the Brembo setup. All right. So let's see how this bad boy sound like.
Alright. It's gonna be kind of cold, so no revs, obviously.
All right. Ooh, nice and throaty.
Yeah.
Very sexy. Nice. Now I have to say, this is a big difference from your 600. So.
Very.
But man, it does look good. Looking sexy. And I might have some spare parts and stuff if you need. So we'll set up an appointment.
That needs to be replaced.
Uh-huh.
That's not by my account.
Oh, yeah.
And this is not by my account.
Oh, okay.
So,
Well,
other than that,
no, this is like a European style screen or like a high cruiser
it's a
screen.
Corsa.
Okay. Very nice. Oh, you know what? This will look sexy with the HIDs in it.
Yes, they will.
Yes. I might have a kit that you might be able to use, but
Maybe.
now are you gonna leave the handlebars this color?
Handlebars?
Or
I mean the grips?
yeah, well,
Oh, I'm
thinking bike. What's that?
I'm keeping these grips.
Okay.
They tacky as heck.
And one
They
thing
tacky.
Yeah.
I love them.
okay. I mean, it like stands out a lot, but
Yeah.
I mean, it is what it is. But
It'd probably be more green. A little bit green. A
okay.
little more green. Yeah.
Now, folks, he's in another episode that hasn't gone up yet. I think I might upload that this weekend, but.
Okay.
Now we're gonna see more of this bike out and about. Probably on 1 and 9 doing some fun stuff, going to Seaside.
You'll definitely see me on the track. Anyways.
With
we'll
this
see,
or the 600?
No, the 6.
You can take this to Poconos though.
No.
Why not? Hey,
I can't.
yes you can. Can do nation, baby. Can do nation.
Keep this in mind. I've had my 636 since 2016.
You will get used to this. Don't worry. The bike will protect you.
I'm not saying anything like that.
Yeah.
But, yeah, 2016 is a long time.
Yeah. I think you'll be fine. Don't worry. We ride together. We're gonna be fine. in closing, any shout outs you want to give? Because I want to make sure.
Well, I have to go and give a shout out to, you know who you are, Ronnie. You know who you are, Todd. Here's some more hellos.
Yes, sir. I got you. Just doing the propers. All right, some good stuff.
The one and only.
Yes. So, folks, thank y'all for checking out this episode of Wha Chu Ridin. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. You will be seeing this bike out and about with us.
Seaside.
Yes, it's going to be some fun stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So, the man, the myth, the ZX Predator, we are out.
Thank you.